Hello dear learner, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use SkillUVA mobile application that is on Android platform and how to use VIP membership. So let's first of all start with SkillUVA icon. Let's click on it. So the first step is that you should have SkillUVA app downloaded. Now, as you can see on the first home page, it's asking for VIP membership. So if you are not a VIP member, then you can click on this button VIP membership to start your VIP membership. So let's say if I click on it, then you can see the whole VIP membership plans come. So we have yearly plan and the monthly plan. You can choose any of the plan, and we have the quarterly plan as well. You can see on our website. So this is about VIP membership. So this is if you have not joined VIP membership, this is how you can join. Select and complete your transaction. So I already have VIP membership. I'm already a member. So how to log in? You just go to the account section, log in. Now I have couple of options. Let's say you have not logged in. You want to sign up. You want to register on the platform. So how to do it? So you can just type, you can click on sign up instead. So when you click on sign up, you will first time register on SkillUVA application, and that is same for application and also for the website. So you will click on it, then you will receive your login details. Whatever login details you enter, you will get the verification on your email also. You use that password and login detail again to come back here and log in here. So now let's say I want to log in with my Google or with my email. I have two options. I can log in with either of it. So let's say I log in with my Google account. So I log in with my first account. And you see, it's I have logged in successfully. It say welcome, ready to grow. Yes, I am ready to grow. So it's saying welcome back Dr. Ashish Parnani. So I am logged in. Now when you log in, there are four icons you can see, or the four sections you can see at the bottom corner. Bottom, that is home, then library, then community, and then account. So the home, what you see on home, whenever you open the application, this is what you see, the home page. Whatever we have on SkillUVA, you will see everything here on home page. So this is the one thing. Second is your library. Library means if you, whatever you have purchased, let's say you have purchased a VIP membership, so everything which included in the membership, you will see here. Or apart from membership also, if you have purchased anything, it will show in your, here in your library section. Second, we have webinars. We don't have any webinars. Whenever you have any webinar coming, you will see the notification here. So this is about membership, this is about library. The third section is community. So we have a wonderful community. As you can see at the current time I'm recording this video for you, we have over 300 learners already on the SkillUVA platform, and SkillUVA family is growing. So you can engage with them, you can ask something before, let's say you want to start any course, you want to ask someone else who have already done the course, and the person can share his or her opinion or viewpoints about the course or about the ebook or about masterclass, any other thing. So this is a wonderful engagement tool also for you to engage with other learners. So let me go back. Now fourth is account. Now what you get in account, it will show your profile, it will show your email address, your number. The first thing which is shows in profile is your wallet. If you have anything, you have purchased anything and you got a cashback, so it convert into SkillUVA coins. So you can see here, when you purchase next time, you can use those SkillUVA coin in purchasing your next product. So this is my wallet section. Then you have my wish list. If you want to click on any product, you can click on it, you can make it in a wish list, or just for a reminders sake, you want to do it any other time as well. Then my subscription, whatever subscription you have, it will come here. We have already one subscription, VIP membership, so it's active. You can see here. Purchase history, whatever you have purchased. See, I've purchased VIP membership multiple times. I have purchased some games, activities combo also. Whatever you have purchased, it will come in your purchase history. Then you have settings, change password, you want to blocked accounts, term of use, privacy, delete, you want to delete account permanently, you can see in the settings page. Then if you want to log out, you can log out, but no need to log out, because again and again you have to log in if you want to use SkillUVA application. So this is about account section. Let's go to home page again. Now you can see here, these are where the SkillUVA icon, you can see the SkillUVA icon. Just type here, click here, and you can see our Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, what we call it, YouTube, and LinkedIn also. All profiles are there. When you click on it, it will redirect to our different social media pages as well, and you can connect with us there as well. Now, if you want to go ahead with the blogs, you can just click on blog, and it will give you some wonderful blogs, some what we call it, latest blogs that we have for you. Every week we put some wonderful articles, wonderful content, and you can read there. And if you want to read categories wise, so we have certain categories already, 5 categories already shared with you all. You can go ahead and read them, learn them, and also share with your known connections. So this is about blog. Then you have another section called about us. If you want to know more about us, then you can click on it. Then FAQs. Then if you want to contact us, if you want to chat with us directly, it will link to our WhatsApp connection. And if you have already used VIP membership, or let's say if you use for 2-3 days, 4 days, if you explore the content and if you find the content good, then we request you to please rate us on Play Store as well. So this is about some of the things that you find when you click on the SkillUVA icon. Okay, so now let's move on how to find the content. Let's say, so very simply, go to your library section. Go to your library section, and you can find whatever you have purchased or whatever you want to start. You can just start from here. Simply, when you go to home section, just come to all categories. This is a very easy method. And if you have purchased training material, then we have personal development, then we have what we call it, ebooks, then we have international certified courses, business marketing, then we have masterclass, entrepreneurship, live certificate program. So we have a lot of categories. For example, you have purchased or you want to see any masterclass, just click on the masterclass and just start. So let's say selling skills is our latest masterclass. Click on it and then continue, and it will just start. You just click on the play button and this masterclass will start. As you can see this, it's very simple. And whatever you want to download, you can download something else also. It's written over here. Everything is given. All the instructions are very clear and you can use that. Same way, let's say you want to do this course, let's say creating laser sharp focus. Just click on it and you can see the lessons. Just click on the play button and it will start. Mind you guys, if you want to download the certificate, you can see how you can download. The download certificate option is at the bottom corner. If you want to download the certification, click on it and you will be able to download it. But for that, you have to complete the program. If you complete the lesson number 1, then only the lesson 2 will be unlocked, then lesson 3, and so forth. And at the last, you will be able to download the certificate, or let's say any other download material we have for you in that particular course. Same way, let's say you have purchased something else. You have purchased a training material or a downloadable content. For example, if you purchase this icebreaker, training icebreaker, so how to download it? So simply, let me show you. I have purchased something. I guess I purchased this one. So whenever you have purchased something, it will not ask you to buy. It will just ask you to continue. Just click on continue and you can see the download option. Just click on the download. You can click on this particular button and it will download automatically for you on your laptop or on your, let's say, mobile phone. So this is very simple, my dear learners. This is how to use SkillUVA application. So I've shown you the courses. I've shown you the masterclass work. Let me show you the ebooks one also. So all the ebooks are a part of my membership, as it is written also. So let me say I have to read this life coaching and motivation book. Just click on it and click on continue. and just click on again, and you see the book has come. I can read the book. Complete book is here. You can read it, you can save it, you can bookmark it also. Complete book is here. You can see your phone number and your email ID also written. It's just for the security purpose so that the content is not copied. So this is it. This is the complete book. Let's say I've read it. You can click on complete and continue, and it will just give you a tick mark that you have already read this book. But even then, if you want to read the book any number of time until your membership continues, you can read the book anytime. So this is how to download, how to use courses, how to use VIP membership, and I've given you a very quick and a complete overview of what we have to offer on SkillUVA mobile application and also on our platform. So please explore it, please use it. It's a wonderful tool, wonderful platform for your personal and professional growth. Thank you so much.